Are you thinking about buying ATI Studios A.P.P.S? Well, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before making that decision. Things that could save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. Stick around because I'll also share some comparisons with other competitors in the market to help you make a more informed choice. First off, ATI Studios A.P.P.S is designed to streamline your digital production workflow, offering a suite of powerful tools for content creation and management. But how does it stand up against alternatives like Adobe or Final Cut Pro? Let's find out as we go through each point. And if you're considering buying, I've got a special offer for you. Stick around till the end, and you can get started with the best free trial available just by clicking the first link in the description. Next thing to consider is pricing. Unlike some competitors that charge hefty monthly subscriptions or upfront fees, ATI Studios A.P.P.S offers more flexibility. You're not locked into expensive plans that can drain your budget, making it a great option for freelancers or smaller teams. They have several pricing tiers, which means you only pay for the features you actually need, making it a more cost-effective choice. The third thing you need to know is about user experience. One of the standout features of ATI Studios A.P.P.S is its ease of use. Unlike other software that can have steep learning curves, ATI's interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll feel comfortable navigating through the different tools and functionalities. That's a major advantage when you're trying to be productive and don't want to waste time on steep learning curves. The fourth thing to consider is the product's performance. ATI Studios A.P.P.S is surprisingly fast, especially when compared to some of its competitors, which can be sluggish on certain devices. Whether you're working with high-res videos or complex graphics, the software doesn't slow down, which is a big plus if you're looking to maximize your efficiency. It works well on both Mac and Windows, which ensures a broad compatibility range. The fifth thing to look out for is the customization options. ATI Studios A.P.P.S allows you to tailor the software to your specific needs, whether you're creating multimedia content, editing audio, or working with video production. This flexibility gives it an edge over competitors like Final Cut, which tends to be more rigid in how projects can be set up and customized. Next thing, customer support. ATI Studios A.P.P.S shines in this area with a responsive support team that's available when you need them. This is a major improvement over some competitors where support can be slow or difficult to access. With ATI, you can expect quick responses and useful troubleshooting tips, making it much easier to solve issues without getting frustrated. The seventh and final thing you should know is that ATI Studios A.P.P.S is continuously updated. Unlike some software that seems to stagnate after a few releases, ATI keeps pushing out new features and improvements, ensuring the tool stays relevant and continues to meet the demands of modern content creators. That ongoing innovation is something you won't always get with other software on the market. So if you're seriously considering ATI Studios A.P.P.S, remember the key takeaways: affordability, user-friendliness, performance, customization, support, and continuous updates. And here's the kicker, you can try it for free. Get the best free trial offer by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, this will give you the best opportunity to explore the full range of features without any risk. Don't wait. Click now to start your journey with ATI Studios A.P.P.S and unlock the benefits exclusive to you.